Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna taste test these tomatoes. Finally, these are ready. But first, let me show you what I did earlier today out in the garden. Well, this plant here, this is the pepper plant that I got from Etsy. And I mean, these leaves are, I don't know. Maybe I gave it too much water or something. This one here is green. So I'm just gonna pull off these yellow leaves and then we'll see what we're left with. All right, so I picked off just about all of the yellow leaves, the yellowing leaves, and it looks better. But all of that came off of here. But the peppers, they still look good though. Nothing happened to them. So here is the zucchini. There's one there. And there's one there, but I don't know if that one's gonna get any bigger. I can't tell. But there's one there. I think that one might survive, but this one most definitely will do. And there's another one over there too. But I was gonna pull this up today, but I'll leave it since I see that these are growing. So just a little bit longer and we'll see how these do. These are the Kalima green beans, and I should have had, well, I still can, but these are starting to produce. And these green beans, they grow on the top, so it's supposed to be easier picking. But I need to put something up so these will stay up and not lean over, because these are going to produce. I can already tell. And there's a lot of little ones on here. But so I used these last year when I was growing in full grow bags instead of the raised beds, and I forgot I had these, and a lot of these are broken as you can see, but I think it'll give still enough support for these to stay up. So I'm just gonna add these in and let's see how this goes. All right, so these look a lot better now that they're not on the ground, and I don't have to worry about anything eating the green beans before we do. So this worked out. So not that long ago, I planted some more of those burpee pole beans, and these have started to climb, which is good. This is basil. So I ended up moving the St. Kitts hibiscus. I thought it would get more sun over here, but this is doing really good. So we'll see if anything starts to form, but we'll see what happens. St. Kitts hibiscus. And then here is the marvelous mint from Baker Creek Seeds, rareseeds.com. I think it's time I need to harvest because I see starting to see some flowers or something. I don't know. But I think it's time for me to harvest some of this. So here's one 5-gallon bag of potatoes, and then here's the second one, and they look like they've been through the fire, but they're still putting on some new growth, and I can't wait to see if these will give me more than my first potato harvest. But here you can actually see there's one there. I don't know the size of it fully, but that's one. And then there's one there. Just gotta make sure I keep them covered. Oh, and there's one there. And these are just russet potatoes. All right, so these are the tomatoes today. This is the Paul Robeson, which is pretty good. And then these two small tomatoes. I feel like this one is a cherry tomato, just a really big one. And then this one maybe is one that didn't get fertilized like it should have. But I'm gonna taste test these, and then I'll let you know what I think. Our Paul Robeson tomato, which looks really good. I've never had a tomato that looked like this, so I'm excited to try this. And then over here, we've got these two cherry tomatoes, I'm gonna call them. All three of them look really good. Let's try them. All right, so first up is Paul Robeson, and let's see what this tastes like. That's good. I wish I had more of those. I think there's some out there growing now. It has a really good flavor. I can't really describe it. Next up is this slicing tomato. And this is a picture perfect tomato. Believe it or not, this one, it has more of a stronger tomato flavor than the Paul Robeson, but the Paul Robeson is really good. This one is almost too strong after eating the Paul Robeson. But it's good though. So now the juiciest tomato that I've cut today, and I think this again is the cherry tomato. Let's try this one. That one is sweet. Really good. The skin is a bit tough though, but it's a good cherry tomato. So that's today's video. A taste test, a quick garden tour of what I had to do today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And I do appreciate you for watching, and thank you. And until the next video, peace.